Hello and welcome. So today I want to show you how you can set up a Huawei router for a PPPoE client. So what I'll have to do, I will connect my Huawei router to my phone here. I'm already connected to it. So next what I will do is I will head over to my favorite browser, whereby I use this one, which is called Edge by Microsoft. I'll head there, then I will insert the link, which is the IP address of the router, which is 192.168.100.1. Then I'll land on this page whereby I'm supposed to input some account info and password to log into the dashboard. So next what I'll do here, the account normally it is lowercase telecom admin without space, then the password is admin telecom, admin telecom. Yes, that's the password and the account. Then I will head on and log in. So first of all, after landing on this dashboard inside my Huawei here, so the first page and the first tab is the status information, whereby it shows you the device type, description, MAC address, hardware version, software version, manufacturer info, CPU usage, memory usage, customer info, and system time. So don't worry about those ones, this is just information. So what we do is we'll head up here and go after status straight, we go to WLAN, that is 1, WLAN. So on that page you shall head over here, this right side of your screen, to new. After that, now we are on this page. So enable 1, yes, leave it ticked, just like that, leave it ticked. So encapsulation mode, not IPPOE. Mostly IPPOE is used in hotspot configurations and extensions of the routers which receive the internet from the main router, which has the information from the ISP provider. So here we don't mark the IPPOE, but we go check the PPPoE. So here the PPPoE, okay, we are there. So about the protocol type, leave it to IP version 4. One mode, leave it to root 1. Service type is goes to internet, leave it that way. Enable VLAN, nope, uncheck this box for enable VLAN. MRU, leave it that way. So here at the username you have to input now the information which you have been given by your ISP. So username, you will create your account, you will insert the details given to you by the internet service provider. Here I will put mine as account 123, that is the username. Then the password will be the password that you have been given by your ISP. So mine here, I will, only for demonstration purposes, mine will be cipher 123. Okay, so after that I will land on to the binding options. Enable LCP detection, you have to leave it that way, don't check the box there. So binding option, you have to enable all the LAN ports so that they can provide internet if you want to use through your laptop or computer, smart TVs and other devices via LAN. So you have to enable the LANs. Then binding options, here we are still in the binding option. The SSIDs, you have to enable them. Yes, you have to enable the SSIDs. So after that, leave the others the way they are, the PPPOE. Don't change to the DHCP or static. Okay, don't change anything here. IP acquisition mode, PPPOE. Enable NAT, yes, checked. NAT type, port restricted con NAT, leave it that way. Enable DNS override, don't enable that. Dialing method, automatic. Multicast VLAN ID, empty, just like that, don't do anything. Then after that you have to apply to save all the changes. Yes, nice. So now we have the account from our internet service provider set to our router. Next we have to head to LAN. So LAN here, it should be automatically, you should have started with it, but no problem with that. You have to check the LANs so that the LAN ports of this router can be used to transfer internet to other devices. Yes, exactly. After checking the LANs, you have to apply them. So that is saved. So you can visit here DHCP server configuration, DHCP server configuration, option number 2. Primary address pool, here it is. So enable primary DHCP server, it should be checked. Everything should be checked here on this page. Secondary address pool, if there is any secondary address pool, but if you're not approving such stuff, so pools and other stuffs, IP pools, you don't have to do that. Leave it, the secondary address pool, leave it the way it is. Don't check anything here. So after that, you have made sure that the primary DHCP server, DHCP relay, and option 125 is enabled. You just have to apply. You're good to go. So nice, we are done with that. Next, now we have to go to WLAN. That is tab number 5 on top here. After LAN there is IP version 6, but now we go to WLAN. So inside the WLAN we have the 2.4G basic network setting. Normally this is what we use to connect to our devices wirelessly. So enable WLAN should be checked that way. Don't uncheck it, because the SSID will never show out to your phone so that you can connect. So now next, so we have to go to SSID name. Here at the SSID name, you have to insert and add the name that is suitable for your network. Like if you're in a shop somewhere or whatever business, you can put the business name as the SSID. Yes, enable SSID should be checked. That's clean. Don't disable it. So number of associated devices, this one shows how many devices can connect to this type of router. So the maximum are 32. If in case you want to the connection to limit other phones or other people, you can reduce the connection to any number below 32. So the maximum is 32. You can reduce it by any number if you wish, but you can leave it that way. Enable WMM, yes, checked. Don't uncheck it. Authentication mode is WPA to pre-shared key. Yes, you can choose anything else, but don't put it open. So open, it means it won't have any password. Anyone can connect to it. As long as it is visible to their phone, they can connect to it. So don't use the open one. choose the best one, which is this option number 5, WPA to pre-shared key. That's what is nice for you. So after that, the encryption mode should be TK, IP, and AES. No problem with that. That one is perfect security. Next, WPA pre-shared key. This is where now you insert your original, your password now, whereby you will need it while signing into the network. So here you insert your password. After that, don't change anything else. Down here, WPA group key generation interval, enable WPS mode, PBC. Don't touch anything there. So you're good to go. So you can just apply and you're done with that. So after you have applied, then you're ready to rock with your net. You're fine to go. Thank you very much for watching my video.